Dear students, we will do module 26. This is computation of RFA and CFA concessional rental accommodation as per the new rule. This is applicable from 1/9/23 to 31/3/24. So here, first thing what I will tell you, from the previous old module I have explained as per the old rule. What is the difference? One is census data we are using 2001 as per the old rule. New one it is 2011. Population of the city as per the old rule it is exceeding 25 lakhs. New rule it is exceeding 40 lakhs. City B exceeding 10 lakhs but less than 25 lakhs. New rule exceeding 15 lakhs but less than 40 lakhs. City C old rule less than 10 lakhs. New rule less than 15 lakhs. Now the rates are important. Old rule 15%, 10% and 7.5%. New rule 10%, 7.5% and 5%. Accommodation hired by the employer. Old rule 15% of salary. New rule 10% of salary. So the same computation RFA we are dividing it into government employees and non-government employees. Government employees meaning it's the license fees fixed by the government. Non-government employees, two options, accommodation owned by the employer or hired by the employer. If it's owned by the employer, we will divide it into three cities, city A, B and C. City A is exceeding 40 lakhs, that meaning exceeding 40 lakhs. City B between 15 lakhs but exceeding 40 lakhs first one, second one having a population exceeding 15 lakhs but less than 40 lakhs. City C is having a population not exceeding 15 lakhs. That is, these are the three classifications. So accommodation hired by the employer, you have to remember it's 10% of salary. As per the old rule, it was 15% of salary or actual charges, higher charges or lease charges paid by the employer, whichever is less. So these are the main distinctions. Now salary for computation is the same as there is no change. Basic salary, DA, commission, bonus, fees, all taxable allowances and leave encashment. If it's encashed during the previous year and that is pertaining to where the rental accommodation is provided, then leave encashment will also be included because leave encashment is taxable while encashed in service. Now we have to remember classification same, furnished, unfurnished, then value of furnished accommodation in a hotel, that is not in your syllabus, so we will not include that. Value of accommodation provided at concessional rent. Now we will do the problems. So here government employee meaning always you remember it's the license fees fixed by the government. So here gardener's treatment is the same. You have to remember if house is owned by the employer, value of gardener or the salary paid to the gardener is included in the rent-free accommodation. If house is not owned by the employer or owned by the employee, then salary of gardener is taxable. Gardener's salary is taxable for the full month even if it's paid for part of the month. Then you have to remember house taken on hire, it is 10% of salary. Value of accommodation provided at concessional rent, you have to compute the value of RFA minus whatever rent collected from the employee by the employer you have to deduct. Then you will get concessional rental accommodation. So first one we will do. First problem, K is working in a central government office. His salary 72,000 per month, DA 48,000 per month, Hill compensatory allowance 12,000 per month, transport allowance 9,600 per month. He is provided with a rent-free house and annual license fees is 7,200. Since he is a government employee, license fees we will take. Then cost of furnishing 45,000. That meaning 10% of 45,000 you have to add. So the value of RFA is 11,700. Furnished RFA. Second one, A gets a salary of 1,20,000 per month and he is provided with a rent-free unfurnished accommodation. Population 30 lakhs as per 2011 census. Old rule it's 2001 census, new rule 2011 census with a fair rental value of 13,000 per month. He has encashed his leave during the previous year, that is 60,000 with effect, and he is getting rent-free accommodation from 1st July 24. His salary is due on the 1st of next month. So he is entitled to RFA only for 8 months. That is, July will be paid on August 1st. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So we will calculate the value of RFA for 1 year. Then we will reduce it to 8 months. So here if you see salary for computation of RFA, only two values. That is salary plus the leave encashment. So basic salary plus basic salary, his salary is 1,20,000 into 12. That is equal to 14,40,000. Now leave encashment is 60,000. So salary for computation of RFA is 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs. Now this RFA 7.5% of the salary will be taken. So 7.5% of 15 lakhs. The value is 1,12,500. 1,12,500. Now this value we have to reduce it to 8 months because it's for 1 year. 1,12,500 into 8 by 12. So you will get 75,000. This is the value of RFA in this case. Now the question is to compute the gross salary. Always you remember. So basic salary plus entertainment elements plus 75,000. So gross salary will be 15 lakhs 75,000. Now problem 3. This we have divided into different subpoints. A has furnished the following particulars. Salary 1 lakh per month. DA 5,000 per month under the terms of employment. Entertainment allowance 6,000 per month. Bonus 84,000. Cost of furnishing 2 lakhs. Calculate RFA. If he is a government employee and license fees fixed by the government is 30,000 per month. Compute the value of RFA. You have to remember government employee meaning license fees only we will take. So 30,000 into 12. 30,000 into 12. 3,60,000. 3,60,000. Now it's furnished accommodation 2 lakhs into 20 by 100. So you have to add 10%. Value of RFA is 3,80,000. Now sub question. A is working in semi-government organization. There is nothing like semi-government. Classification is clear. Government and non-government. Population more than 40 lakhs as per 2011 census. Fair rental value of the house is 10,000 per month. Here we have to go for the population value. That meaning 10% we have to take. Now first thing is salary for the computation of RFA. Basic salary 1 lakh into 12, 1,20,000. Now DA is entering into retirement benefits. 5,000 into 12, 60,000. Entertainment allowance 6,000 into 12, 72,000. Bonus 84,000. 84,000. So total is 14 lakhs 16,000. 14 lakhs 16,000. Now population of the city above 40 lakhs. That meaning 10%. 10% is 1 lakh 41,600. Value of RFA is 1 lakh 41,600. Cost of furnishing 20,000. So here the value is 1 lakh 61,600. This is the value of furnished RFA. Now sub question. A is working in private sector at Hyderabad. Population below 15 lakhs as per 2011 census. Fair rental value of the house hired by the employer is 30,000 per month. He is also provided with a hired refrigerator and hire charges is 6,000 per month. So here you have to calculate the value of RFA. It's 10%. So 1,41,600 or actual hire charges paid is 30,000 into 12. That is 3,60,000. Whichever is less. This value is less. So this value we will take as the value of RFA. Now 20%. 20,000 cost of furnishing. So you will get 1,61,600. Now actual hire charges you have to add, that is 72,000. So the value of RFA is 2,33,600. This is the value of RFA. Next question. A is working in private sector at Delhi. Population of the city is above 40 lakhs as per 2011 census. Fair rental value of the house not owned by the employer is 30,000. So we have to not go by the population, we have to go by 10%. So here already we have calculated 10% value, meaning value of RFA 1,41,600. Now furnished accommodation, we have to add 10% of 2 lakhs. So 1,61,600. Last problem is for computation of concessional rental accommodation. So A is working in private sector at Delhi, population above 40 lakhs. Rental value of the house not owned by the employer is 30,000 per month. Employer is deducting 10,000 from his salary for the accommodation provided. This compute the value of concessional rental accommodation. Why it is called concessional rental accommodation? It's from the RFA value, employer is deducting certain amount. That is why it's concessional, not free rental accommodation. So RFA value we have already calculated 1,41,600. Now employer is deducting 10,000 per month. So what 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. So the value of concessional accommodation we have to calculate 21,600 plus cost of furnishing 20,000. So this 41,600 is the value of concessional rental accommodation. So this is the computation. So this is what I wanted to explain in this module. It's very important. Both the modules 25 and 26. One is as per old rule. Second one is as per the new rule. Happy learning. Thank you.